जब हम कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट होते हैं तो हमें हर कोई कुछ ना कुछ सजेस्ट करता है, यू डू MBA, यू गो फॉर MS, कुछ भी। एंड एक बहुत कॉमन फ्रेज है जो हम हमेशा सुनते हैं सबसे, एंड दैट इज लाइफ इज नथिंग बट पॉसिबिलिटी एंड द वर्ल्ड इज वाइड ओपन. These phrases are supposed to be encouraging, but they ignore the fact that graduating college can be a time of uncertainty, fear, and confusion. आपने अपने 4 साल लगा दिए हैं, 3 साल लगा दिए वर्किंग हार्ड, फोकस ऑन गेटिंग योर डिग्री. बट नाउ दैट यू हैव वॉकड अक्रॉस द स्टेज एंड हैव योर डिप्लोमा इन हैंड, things can feel quite antimelatic. I graduate college. Now what? You're probably wondering this. I was in a similar position not too long ago, and today I want to share a piece of advice that helped me along my post college journey. There's no need to do all of the things on this list, but I hope that at least a couple of them will help you move away from fear and toward the excitement that everyone promised would come after graduating life. Well, hello and welcome back. This is Maulik Agrawal, and you are looking at things to do after your graduation. Move to a new place. It's likely that college was your first time living away from home. या हो सकता है आपके होम टाउन में ही कॉलेज हो. This meant a new level of independence and many valuable lessons about how to get along with other people. Still, college is very much a bubble. The world beyond is much broader. But if you stay in your college town or hometown, it can be difficult to see this. That's why my first piece of advice is to move to a new place. This could be for a new job, or it could mean taking some time to backpack and see a lot of different places. It could even go along with an internship or volunteer opportunities. Regardless, there's a great value in moving to a new place, whether it's one state over or across several continents. Getting out of your familiar surroundings will expose you to new ideas, people, and ways of living. Even if you end up moving back to somewhere familiar, taking a few months away can provide valuable experiences to discuss in a job interview or a personal statement. उसके बाद spend time networking. While the saying it's not what you know, it's who you know isn't perfect advice, there's some truth to it. When you're competing against the same graduate with perfect GPAs and prestigious colleges on their resumes, the best way to cut through the crowd is just knowing the right person. एंड उस राइट पर्सन को जानने के लिए आपको नेटवर्किंग करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, आपको नए लोगों से मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी है. द बेस्ट वे फॉर यू टू डू दिस डिपेंड्स ऑन योर पर्सनालिटी. अगर आपको फॉर्मल नेटवर्किंग इवेंट्स पसंद है, देन आई एब्सोल्युटली रिकमेंड इट. You get to meet a lot of people at once. You never know who might be there for you in your future. Remember that never ever underestimate the power of saying that I'm a recent college graduate. बहुत से लोग आपको इस चीज़ का एक्सटेंशन देते हैं, आपको हेल्प करते हैं by thinking that about the young minds, about the young people. So please do not underestimate it, and also remember, if it's possible, offer that person a lunch, go out with them, have a talk with them, discuss your future, discuss your plans with them. You will always learn something new from people who are experienced. इस सब के अलावा you can also get an apprenticeship. A lot of people will tell you that getting an internship is the best way to break into a particular field or industry. While internships can be very valuable, there's another potentially more powerful method that people often overlook, and that is apprenticeships. You probably associate apprenticeships with vocational education, but apprenticeships are certainly possible in professional fields as well. They offer a variety of advantages that internships do not. That is, the ability to learn directly from an experienced professional, avoidance of much of the drudgery and busy work that come with traditional internships, and a chance to accelerate your learning with real world experiences working on a real time basis. And if you are interested in going directly into a field that does not require a more advanced degree, apprenticeships are one of the best ways to get started. You can also try working for yourself. While there's nothing wrong in taking a traditional office job, it's worth it to look at other employment options. One such option is self employment. The popular image of working for yourself involves getting investors and growing a startup. While that can be exciting, fulfilling path for the right people, working for yourself can also mean freelancing or starting a small online business that you can run remotely. While your parents may balk at the idea of you stepping away from the safety net of big stable company, working for yourself also offers a level of freedom and mobility that can be difficult to find a corporate job. At the very least, it's a way to make some money while you hunt for other jobs. And now, the advice I usually give to the people, and even I have gotten from my mentors before getting an MBA, before going for a post graduation in MBA, just get a job. It doesn't have to be forever. For my final piece of advice, this could be an entry level job that feeds you into larger career goals, but it could also be a part time job in the service industry or retail. Getting a job will means you will be earning. If you're still living at home, this offers you a chance to save up your funds you need to get out of your parents' house ASAP. You could also use this money to fund a trip or other valuable learning experiences, or you can just invest. Additionally, there can be value in having a job that's less than ideal. It teaches you how to remain calm in the face of unpleasant circumstances as well as how to deal with different people. सो अगर आप अभी अभी ग्रेजुएट हुए हो, इट्स ओके टू बी अनसर्टेन, इट्स ओके इफ यू आर अनप्लान्ड. नो मोर, नो मैटर what I tell you, what others tell you, you're probably still anxious and uncertain about what life after college holds. But I hope this video has shown you some options that will help you be a little or less uncertain and be a little more excited.
आई होप गाइज ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा. एंड जाते जाते एक बात और बोलूँगा कि कोविड ने हमारे पूरे देश में, हमारी पूरी दुनिया में एक नया एरा क्रिएट कर दिया एजुकेशन का. एंड अब स्कूल एजुकेशन से ज़्यादा सेल्फ एजुकेशन ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज लाइक गूगल, अमेजोन, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर पीपल हु आर वेल स्किल्ड. So now it's important for us to brush up our skills. And the team of SkillBuzz has made it easy for you all by providing a variety of courses. I've shared the link in the description. Do check them out and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Keep watching, stay safe, stay home and be healthy. Thank you.